Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. A YouTube banner is an essential element for your channel branding, and it's also crucial to make it visually appealing and reflective to your brand's personality. Canva is a powerful graphic design tool that helps you create a stunning banner that stands out from the crowd. So, let's get started. The first step is to choose the right size. For that, you need to go to Create a Design, and here select the custom size and write the width for the YouTube banner, that is 2560 into 1440. And here's the size for the YouTube banner. You can create a design with this one, or you can go back. You can select this YouTube banner suggestion made by Canva. Also, you can search for the templates, and here you need to search for the YouTube banner. Here are the suggestions for you. Just click any one of this. And now once you scroll down, you can see all of these free templates for the YouTube banner. You can choose any one of this, or you can create your own from this one. For now, we will use this template to create our design. Scroll down to find your right template for your YouTube banner. Let's select this one. Now let's select this one. Once you click on it, just click on Customize this template. This one's also looking good, so let's use this one instead. Here you can add your own logo. Just delete this. Also delete this picture. You can also add your own picture on this one. You can upload your image from here, or you can also use these elements and search for the desired images. For example, I will use this image. Let's use this image. I will just drop in out here. Just double click on it to adjust it. This looks good. Now let's change the name of this one. You can write the mini description here. You can change the font from here. Just select all of this and choose your desired font. I will choose this one, and I will select all of this and make it uppercase letters. Now once it is done, you can add your own logo here. Just select this and resize it according to you, and place it right here. Now once you have finished customizing your YouTube banner, it's time to finalize it and download it. Canva allows you to download your banner in various formats such as PNG, JPEG. You can also save your design to Canva and come back to it later if you need to make any changes. And there you have it. Creating a YouTube banner in Canva is super easy and fun. With its vast library of design elements and user-friendly interface, you can create stunning banner that reflects your brand personality. So go ahead and give it a try. And also let us know how it goes in the comments below. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section as well. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.